Hello, class 4th. How are you all? Fine? Yes. Okay, hope you all have done your previous work. Okay, today we will be reading chapter 5 because the syllabus has been reduced. Chapter 3 and 4 has been deleted. So, we will be reading chapter 5. Solids, liquid and gases. Okay, if we see around, we will find a number of things such as doors, windows, furniture, boxes, books, tumblers, water bottles, pens, CDs, etc. Doors, windows and furnitures are made up of wood. Boxes and books are made up of paper. Tumbler and bottles are made up of glass or plastics. CDs and pens are made of plastic, wood, paper, glass and plastics are different materials of matter. Matter has weight and it occupies space. Now see, you have to fill this. What is filled in the tire of the car? And the boy is filling something in the car using a long pipe. What you will fill? Petrol. The bottle in boy's hand contains water or any drink. The suitcase is these things you will be filling in your book. Okay, now come to next page. The 3 states of matter. What are the 3 states of matter, students? All matter in the world are made up of small particles. These particles are called molecules. Molecules are the smallest substance in matter that can exist independently. Solid. What is solid? Solids are the substance in which the molecules are packed very tightly to each other. Solids are generally very hard and have a fixed shape and a definite volume. Example like marbles, chairs, book, pencil, etc. Some solids can change their shape if we apply force on them. For example, duff can be rolled out into chapati. Some solids on applying force can be broken or bent. Plates can be bent. Plates of china, clay can be broken. See, the molecules of the solid is tightly packed. They are very close. They do not leave a single space between them. Then now see the molecules of what the liquid says. Milk is a liquid. Can you tell about its exact shape? No, because milk is in a form of liquid and the type of container you will take, liquid will give the shape of that only. Can you hold it in your hands? No, it does not have a fixed shape because its molecules are not tightly packed. So it can move in any way. Like what you all drink, that cold drink. See the shape of the cold drink bottle. That cold drink liquid is given a shape as the form of bottle only. Then water, milk, oil, petrol, etc. are the examples of liquid. Liquids have definite volume. Liquid can flow from one place to another and so are called fluids. Liquids cannot be broken or bent. Now come to next page. Now gases. You must have seen water boiling in a vessel. Boiling water produces vapors and goes in the air. Can you hold the vapors in your hands? No, you cannot. Can you see the air around you? No. No, air is a mixture of gases. We can see smoke but not air. We cannot hold gas in our hand. When we fill air into a balloon, it takes up all the space inside the balloon. The smell of a perfume quickly spreads from one corner to the room to the other. This is so because the molecules in gases are very loosely packed. See how the molecules of gases are packed. They can flow easily. Now changes of states. The 3 states of matter are generally interchangeable. A solid can be changed into a liquid. This will happen if you heat the solid. the solid will melt into a liquid. This process is called melting. With the help of ice, we can do this process. When a liquid is heated, bubbles appears in the surface of the liquid. This is called boiling. If we continue heating the liquid will change into a gaseous form. This is called the evaporation. A gas changes into the liquid state when it cools at a certain temperature. The process of changing a gas into liquid is called condensation. These are the some definitions which are really important for your half yearly exam and as well as to memorize. Solute, solvent and solution. See, some solid dissolve easily in liquid. The solid that dissolve is called the solute. The liquid in which the solute dissolve is the solvent. The liquid that we get after dissolving a solute in a solvent is called solution. You will be reading solute, solvent and solution because the liquid in which the solute is dissolved is known as the solvent, and the thing in which the solute has been dissolved, the thing is called solution. Now come to next page. Now see, a solution is formed when a solute dissolve in a solvent. See the people how you all make that glucon-D. What you all do, you take a water and what is the glucon-D? Glucon-D, and when you pour one spoon of glucon-D in water, so it dissolve in water. So you can apply this experiment in your home also. Substances such as sand, mud, pebbles do not dissolve in water and hence are called insoluble substance. They do not mix in water because they are too big to take the space between the water molecules. Like sand, mud, pebbles do not dissolve in water because these are insoluble waste. Now gases dissolve in liquid. Just like solid, gases also dissolve in water and occupy the gap in it. Water in lakes, ponds, seas, etc. has gases dissolve in them. Animals use the oxygen and plants use the carbon dioxide and oxygen. Now we will read about changes in matter. Materials keep on changing. Sometimes the state of the material change but the molecules do not change. For example, if we chop a carrot, the material, taste, color and smell do not change, only the shape changes. This type of change is termed as physical change. Now see, burning pepper. But there are some other kinds of changes that occurs in matter, such as burning of paper and wood. In such changes, the molecule present in them are different from the ones before the change occurred. For example, when paper burns, it immediately converts into ash and smoke. Similarly, the molecules of egg also changes, as egg is in the form of solid liquid and it changes in the shape of solid. So hope you all have understood the chapter, students. Okay, go through the chapter and we will be doing the worksheet. Have a good day. Thank you.